Hey everyone, today we have a Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty. This is a Glow Brights Putty Enchanting Unicorn. 3.2 ounce size, 90 grams. And yeah, Glow Brights. So these are glow in the dark. The putty here from the front looks like a kind of a light pink, maybe like a whitish pink color with these little colorful pieces in it. And then the glow here on the outline, that usually shows you what color it will glow in the dark. So this one's going to glow pink. That's pretty interesting. But let's look at the back of the tin here. You get always your little description about the putty. And then let's get into this one. Okay, man, look at that. That is really, really pretty. I love this putty. This is... I mean, I know I'm gushing already about it, but I have many, many Crazy Aaron's putties. This is in my top 5. It is this kind of whitish pink color. Lots of small glitter in here. Have like these small little colorful confetti pieces as well. You can see them here. They're kind of like purple, blue, green, orange. Oh, got some yellow ones over here too. Very, very nice. But let's get this out and we'll take a closer look. Okay. Put this down here. Yeah, man, I love the sparkle of this. The confetti pieces like this, I hope they do more of this in the future. I really, really love whatever that shape is. It's just very, very pretty. And this putty just works. It just ticks all the right boxes for me. Very, very pretty putty here. As far as the texture goes, I would say this is a medium texture. The putties usually vary from soft to firm. And this one's kind of right in the middle, so makes it really nice. You know, the medium textures are probably my favorite overall. Kind of gets the best of both worlds. So good for stretching, good for shaping, good for playing, squeezing, making bubbles, all that good stuff. Got some crackles here, some pops, that's always fun. But man, look at that putty. I just can't get over the look of this one. I really do love the way this one looks. It's very, very nice. But let's get to the exciting part here, which is the glow in the dark. So I have here my UV light, because these putties, they do require UV light or natural light, which has UV light in it. So you have to take in the sun. You know, it won't charge in just like a regular LED light or incandescent light. You really need to get it into the sunlight or get a little black light like this. Black light, UV light. They're fairly inexpensive, but definitely worth it if you like playing with the putty, especially the glow in the dark. So, wow, look at that. So I know through the camera, you're getting a lot of glare here. But what I'm seeing on my end is those little confetti pieces are just lighting up so brilliantly, just glowing. Amazing, really. I mean, it's just like they went to a whole new level. You can kind of see it a little bit. I know the glare's down here, but if you look up here, you can see how, you know, look at, okay, there's no light. And like, you see how those pieces light up and glow? From my perspective, it's just super, super shiny. Really, really nice. Very pretty. But yeah, we're charging this up here. It doesn't take very long. You can see it's already kind of glowing pink. You know, it's much, it's not as white anymore. It's getting that pink color. So let's just give it one more quick charge here. And then let's go turn off the light and see what that looks like. Okay, so there it is. I mean, look at that. That is beautiful. Man, that is so pretty. So it's actually kind of turning into a purple color. So it glowed, it glowed pink initially, but now it is kind of turning into more this purplish color. Let's give it another charge here just really quick now that I'm actually sitting here in the dark. Oh, look at, there's that glow of those confetti pieces again. I really do like that. Give us another quick charge and then turn this off. Man, look at how pretty that is. So there's that pink color. And this is lighting up very, very bright. I mean, you can see my hand here. Hopefully it's coming through on the camera. I mean, if I put this in my hands, look at that. Look at the light of that. This is extremely fun. So there's the back side. You know, we're kind of mixing in that back side of the putty we didn't charge. But yeah, this one is just very, very beautiful. One of my favorite putties of all time. The glow on it lasts very long. I love that it kind of transitions too from this the initial pink glow to, as it starts to dim, it gets kind of a purplish glow. That's fun. Pink and purple, hey, my two favorite colors, so maybe I'm a little biased, you know, with the, you know, this being one of my favorites. But definitely, let's get back in focus there. Okay, we're lost from focus. I'm getting too excited with the putty. But yeah, just see, now it's that purplish color again. But still very, very pretty. Very, very nice. Okay, let's go turn back on the light here and take one more look at it in the light. So there, now it's not nearly as not nearly as maybe appealing, but no, I still love this. It looks beautiful. That kind of whitish pink color. But that is your Enchanting Unicorn Putty. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, I would definitely appreciate a like on the video and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. But that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon.